Quick oil change real quick on the truck. After this, about to get an outside wash from my homie Ulysses. And then after, we're gonna pull up to the meet today, so y'all stay tuned for that. What's good, chat? Tony's 5.7 back with another video. As y'all can see, I already got my oil change, everything done. Car wash done. Right now I'm about to head to the meet spot where I'm about to meet up, and then hopefully we'll see who pulls up, so we'll catch you guys there. We got my cousins working over here. Look. Hey, cousin, say what's up. We're right here ready. It's empty right now. We'll see how it turns out. Jeez, they got the drone right there.
But they got me right here.
Jeez. You see Isaiah? Jeez. Look at Vinny's car. Freshly washed. Slacking, boy, on the detailer.
Shout out to my brother-in-law. Washed my car.
All right. Respect that. Respect that one. Tap in, lock in details right here. Ooh. Cali Familia and Cali Familia mobbing. Mobbing in day, boy. reverse it. Unless you want to throw a flame, I guess. Nah.
What's up? Is this for your YouTube?
Yep.
Okay. Make sure to like and subscribe to 25.7. You already know.
She said she got a supercharger in this mug? Ah, SRT. Okay, Kimmy. Who we got here? Who we got here?
What's up, bro? What's
Cracking,
up,
man. Who we got here?
You free, bro?
Sheesh.
Free truck.
Yes, sir. Benny Pooh. Jeez. This your IG, bro? What do they gotta do? Shit, what do they gotta do? That's right. Hey. Get there, get there. Damn, bro, you teaser. Bro, that's literally what I thought you were gonna do, bro. Tell them to rev it. One more.
Fast and the Furious.
There you go, Hayden, boy.
I'm not ran you over, girl.
I thought you were in Vegas.
I came back just for you, bro.
Was he really? Let's hear it. Let's hear it one more. What'd you say, man?
What a cool
Demasiados.
That's right.
Puro 20.
Puro 20.
25.7.
Sheesh. Tell him to rev it. Rev it, man. Come on. Let's hear it. This the after right here of the meet. Thanks to all those who came out in support. You see my cousin right here with his doggy. His little doggy, just a little ass chihuahua right here.
Just a little doggy. Little puppy. There he is.
All right, Jumbo.